how was your learning today?
It was very good. Absolutely good. I mean, I think this is one of those trainings where even if you, I mean, this is like a self-funded, obviously, but it is well. I mean, it's well taken as well. In the sense, like the kind of tools and techniques. What I heard from you, especially the CFD, is there right in front of us. It's not like it's not there, but how well you use that.
Very true.
Matters a lot. So.
Absolutely.
So I think, yeah, using the CFD in a very judicious way to manage your interventions, how do you do all that? I think that's pretty unique. That's what because tools is what we actually use. I mean, theory is good because we have read those books in some form or fashion, but a direct tool which you can use it, instantly, almost instantly, and take advantage of it. I think that's very important. I think that's what I got to hear from you, and I would like to try it immediately.
Yeah, of course, please. And I think I 100% agree with you.